We have actually 2 comic art schools in Sweden, but one is like way up north in the countryside, so I haven't been. I went to the other one, who's in Sweden's 3rd largest city, and that was interesting. It's a very, very small school. Well, one surprising thing I would say probably was that they didn't really teach us how to draw. So that was we were expected to learn that on our free time, because we only had like 1 year where we had to basically be able to learn to support ourselves as illustrators and manga artists. So there was a lot of lessons about like the history of comics, how to make a story, but mostly like how to promote yourself, how to like put together a portfolio, how to show it to people, what to say, how to make contacts, how to maintain those contacts, how to get jobs, like how to make sure you got properly paid for these jobs. So it's a very practical approach, and I thought that was really great. I think that really helped me to be able to work professionally. But it was a bit sad that they didn't teach us how to draw, I thought. So, what else? Oh, actually, I think I've heard about this. I was like, whoa, that sounds so cool. That's awesome. Like, that's such a good thing. So I'm really excited to see it.